Ever tried to wire money internationally and got completely stumped by something called a SWIFT code? You're not alone, especially if you bank with Ally. Today, we're diving deep into what exactly an Ally Bank SWIFT code is, why you need it, and how to find it. Buckle up, because international finance can get a little tricky. Imagine you're sending money to a friend in Europe. You've got the amount, the recipient's account details, and you're ready to hit send. But then, this mysterious code pops up, SWIFT code. What is it? Is it some secret password? A hidden bank fee? Or just another hurdle in the already complex world of international transfers? Let's break it down. SWIFT stands for the Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication. Basically, it's a global system that banks use to communicate and exchange financial information securely and efficiently. Think of it like the international postal code for your bank. Every bank worldwide has a unique SWIFT code, and it's crucial for smooth international transactions. Ally Bank SWIFT code, the basics. So, what's the Ally Bank SWIFT code? Well, Ally, being a US-based bank, doesn't have a single, universal SWIFT code. Here's why. Ally Bank operates through a network of correspondent banks. This means Ally doesn't have its own direct international connections. Instead, it relies on other banks, correspondent banks, to process international transfers. Each correspondent bank has its own unique SWIFT code. So, the SWIFT code used for your Ally Bank international transfer will depend on the specific correspondent bank chosen to handle your transaction. Finding your Ally Bank SWIFT code. Okay, how do you actually find the SWIFT code you need? It's not always straightforward. Contact Ally Bank customer service. This is usually the most reliable method. Call Ally Bank's customer service line and explain that you need the SWIFT code for an international transfer. Provide the details of the recipient's bank and the country you're sending money to. A customer service representative can then determine the appropriate correspondent bank and provide you with the correct SWIFT code. Check your online banking portal. If available, some banks may display the SWIFT code for specific international transfers within their online banking systems. However, this feature isn't always available, especially for smaller or less common transfer destinations. Recipient's bank information. In some cases, the recipient's bank might provide you with the necessary SWIFT code information. They may have a specific format for international transfers that includes the required SWIFT code for incoming payments. Why is the SWIFT code important? Now, you might be wondering, why is this SWIFT code so important? Well, it plays a crucial role in ensuring your international transfer reaches its destination accurately and efficiently. Unique identification. The SWIFT code acts as a unique identifier for the bank involved in the transaction. It helps the receiving bank correctly identify the sending bank and process the transfer accordingly. Routing information. The SWIFT code provides essential routing information, guiding the transfer through the international banking system. Security. By using a standardized system like SWIFT, banks can enhance the security of international transactions and minimize the risk of fraud. Here are a few tips to make your international transfers with Ally Bank smoother. Double-check all details. Ensure the recipient's account details, including the SWIFT code, are accurate and complete. Even a small error can delay or prevent the transfer. Inquire about fees. Be aware of potential fees associated with international transfers. Ally Bank may charge fees, and there may also be fees charged by the recipient's bank or intermediary banks. Consider transfer options. Ally Bank may offer different transfer options, such as wire transfers or online transfers. Each option may have different fees, processing times, and availability. Use a reliable transfer service. For added convenience and potential cost savings, consider using a specialized international money transfer service. These services often offer competitive exchange rates and faster transfer times. International transfers can seem daunting, but understanding the role of the SWIFT code can make the process much easier. Remember, the best way to obtain the correct SWIFT code for your Ally Bank transfer is to contact customer service directly. With the right information and a bit of planning, you can confidently send money abroad. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.